Hi guys, welcome back. Just a heads up, my nails are stained from having worn a black nail polish. Enjoy the video. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. So this here is a key, as you can tell. I am going to put some nail polish on here to help my friend tell her keys apart. So the way that I prep, because she saw mine and she liked it, so the way that I prep is this is rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. I could never say that word. You just want to take all of the oils and everything off of the key. So you want to make it extra nice and clean. And again, this is just my prep. You could probably do it different than me. This is just what I've been doing. So I thought since it was requested, I could share it with you guys. Then I take, you guys know I love my oily bonder. I don't know where my gel polish is. So just grab some oily bonder. You can be generous with it if you like. I just really want to make sure that the polish sticks to the key nicely. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes. And I am going to start off with finger paints. And this is paper mache. I'm going to do 2 coats just because I want the color to pop. Now I'm going to be using a, I did some watermarbling a while back, and I will link that video in the information box, as well as with a card. So you guys can see how I went about creating it. And I'm going to give this about 5 minutes to dry. And I'll come back and do another white coat. I dropped the key, which is what all this paint is down here. I accidentally dropped the key. So I would probably say not to go with something like this because the key was too heavy and I accidentally tipped it over and dropped it. I like this one because it's got shimmer. I hope you guys can see it. It's got shimmer. You can't see it. I mean, it depends on which side you want to put it on. If you want it extra red, you could do this side. If you want more shimmer, you could do this side. I think I'm going to go with, I don't know, more shimmer, or do you want more red? I don't know, I can't make up my mind. Maybe I'll do more red. So, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do for her. And then there's this other one that is super pretty. This is another one that's super red. I don't know. I like the part where there's more shimmer, I think. I like them both. That's my problem. I like them both. Okay guys, so it's been an hour. I'm gonna, because these are basically a decal, I am going to go in with Wet n Wild. And at this point, I'm just going to try to figure out how I want to do this. Do I want to go this way or do I want to go this way? I think I'm going to go this way. Okay. Alright, so I think I'm going to go that way. I'm going to flip it over and very carefully And I've never done this with a decal. That looks really pretty. Let's see. So, getting my Wet n Wild ready. I'm going to go with this shiny part. Pull aside one like that. Now, as far as the hole, I didn't quite, let's see, I suppose I could go this way and cut it. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a little cross there. If you wanted to, you could cut a little piece of the decal and put it there. Take one of these cuticle pushers and push this over like so. Okay. Came out pretty good. Now let's see how we can do this. Grab a little bit of the Wet n Wild. Again, this is my very first experiment with the decals because normally I would say to do it straight from the Watermarble, but since I had this, I figured, well, let me try it, see what happens. It's sealing up really nicely. So far, I'm really liking how this is turning out. How cool is that? Again, this is my first time doing this. I'm happy with that. So for this part, I think I want more of the red to show. It's just a matter of trying to figure out how to do this. So I could do that. And then on the top, I could add the rest. How pretty. Look at, I'm super happy with this. And if you're wondering how I came up with this idea, is I went to Home Depot and I saw that they had like a whole bunch of keys that had like skulls and electric guitars and cameo, and I said, you know what, I could do that. I have all the material at home. Oh, I like that red side better. I like this side better with more of the red than the other side. Pretty is that? So let me know in the comment section which side you like better. If you like the side with the red better, or if you like the other side. We'll call this the pink side. So the red side or the pink side. Okay guys, so here is the finished end result from yesterday. It has been drying overnight, so I didn't wait 24 hours. This is what the side with the red looks like. This is the pink side with the shimmer. I ended up going back and actually adding this part here because I just couldn't stand that part that was just sticking there. So I'm hoping that with the swirls and everything, this kind of blends in nicely. I think it does. So I'm gonna go in with you can get this as Sally Beauty Supply. It is IBD Intense Seal No Cleanse Top Coat. This is a brand new one, as you can see. I am going to do one side at a time. I'm so sorry, my allergies are pretty bad today. So I'm gonna put a generous amount. Now, I like to do it in here. I like to coat everything because wear and tear, this is going to be rubbing up against metal, and I want it to last. So I do give a nice coat to everything. I have my windows open. So As you would with your nails, you want to cap everything. Removing the excess. And I count to about 30 just to let this self-level and get a pretty nice even smooth finish. You could even hold it like this if you want while you're counting to 30. That looks really pretty. Alright, so now this has cured in my UV lamp for 3 minutes. And how pretty is this, you guys? I absolutely love it. I think my friend is gonna be thrilled. And now, like I said before, it might be easier if you do it straight from the Watermarble in the cup, but since I had a whole bunch of decals, as you can see, I figured that I would use them. Now you could, if you wanted to, take it a step further and let me know down in the comment section if you guys want me to do this, a tutorial. Let's see. I have an old, from a previous mani that I did. I have this here. So if you want, you could, you know, stamp on the key at this point, you know, put a little skull if you want. This has been colored in before. So yeah, you can customize it to your liking. Let's see what else I have. Creative Shop stamper, a Creative Shop stamping plate. So you could take some fishies, cut them up, and that would look super pretty there. You know, a customized key. Put some, stamp some fishies on. You know, make it look extra custom. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section if you guys want me to stamp an image onto the key. But honestly, I really don't think this needs any more. Look at how pretty that side is with the shimmer. Love that shimmer from the Watermarble. Favorite part is like this shimmer here. All of the shimmer. Came out really pretty. Really loving this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know down at the bottom what you guys think. I'm so happy that I was able to do this for my friend, and I think she's gonna love it.